Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just one block from the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment PHA, a one-bedroom on the top floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the kitchen is on your right, with a microwave, a dishwasher, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator, as well as plenty of cupboards. On into the living room, you'll have 7 pieces of furniture, a dining table and 2 chairs, an armchair and an end table, and a sofa and coffee table, as well as the first of your 2 closets. One great feature of Cityview is the high ceilings and the large windows that let lots of natural light into this south-facing apartment. On into the bedroom, you'll have 5 more pieces of furniture, a full-size bed, a bookcase, a desk and desk chair, and a dresser, as well as your second closet. Each room is air-conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Cityview is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A spacious bathroom with a shower and tub combo, and a vanity and medicine cabinet. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Cityview PHA. Call us today for availability.